Dr. Fancy Funk had a birthday on Monday, and she was such a tremendous fellow Rotarian, and she sponsored me, so I have always been grateful to Fancy for that respect. And today we're going to do something a little bit special, and Marvin Goldstein is going to be accompanying us as we sing Happy Birthday, Dr. Fancy.